Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the captivating world of video art with a focus on the groundbreaking work of Ellen Pau. Specifically, we'll be exploring her exhibition, She Moves, which is currently on display at the SculptureCenter in New York. This exhibition is a deep dive into Pau's long-standing interest in Hong Kong as a city in constant transition, using water as a central motif. So, grab your seats and let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the title, She Moves. It's a powerful metaphor that reflects the city of Hong Kong's ever-changing nature. Pau's work often explores the idea of Hong Kong as a place that is always on the verge of disappearing, and this exhibition is no exception. The video installation, She Moves, features drops of water trickling down a plain white wall under a heavenly light, creating a serene yet poignant atmosphere. The work is accompanied by soft white veils and a nostalgic, wooden armchair, inviting viewers to reflect on the city's past and future. One of the most fascinating aspects of She Moves is the way it has evolved over time. The work has been transferred across formats, from NTSC to PAL, VHS to DVD, and most recently, restored with AI. With each iteration, something is lost, and something new is layered in, mirroring the city's rapid transformation. The installation itself is an intimate space that invites viewers to take a seat, temporarily occupying the position of an absent subject. Who is the she in the title? It could be Pau herself, the woman in a floral dress, the visitors who enter and exit the space, or even Hong Kong itself. Now, let's move on to the next piece in the exhibition, Where Have All the Flowers Gone? This work is part of Pau's ongoing, Multisensory FL0RA0 series, and it's a powerful commentary on the preservation of historical records. The installation starts with burnt candles attached to the wall, collected by Pau and her friends over the years from the June 4th vigils commemorating the 1989 Tiananmen Square protests. On the opposite side, strips of film negatives hang from a rack, bearing ghostly silhouettes of these candles, preserving the outline of what once was. The candles' shifting forms draw a parallel to the making and preservation of historical records. Just as light fixes a passing moment onto film, archives preserve ephemeral experiences as material records that outlast their original time. The smell of burnt bark and chemicals fills the air, and Sublime is a fragrance developed by Pau with scent specialist Xavier Sang to recreate the smell of tear gas. Visitors may find their eyes watering as they move through the space, momentarily inhabiting the danger and vulnerability of participating in public protests. This is a direct reference to recent protests in Hong Kong, where tear gas deployed by the police against protesters became sensory evidence of state violence and the suppression of civic expression. Near the end of the tunnel, a holographic flame burns atop a blood-stained-looking structure resembling the torch of the goddess of democracy, a symbol during the Tiananmen Square protests. As viewers approach the work, motion sensors activate, switching the video feed from crackling fire to footage of burning film strips. On one hand, the work references the traditional Chinese practice of burning offerings for the dead, on the other, it comments on the altering and erasure of public records, both elegy and critique. Finally, let's talk about the music in She Moves. Dara Lynn's 1939 wartime anthem, We'll Meet Again, plays, alluding to recent protests and migration waves in Hong Kong that split families and communities. Originally written for lovers separated by war, its promise of reunion captures the hope that, as Pau put it in her recent artist talk at the Asia Art Archives in New York, Hong Kongers will all meet again on a bright sunny day. In conclusion, Ellen Pau's She Moves is a powerful and thought-provoking exhibition that explores the ever-changing nature of Hong Kong through the lens of water. The exhibition is a must-see for anyone interested in video art, Hong Kong's history, and the power of art to reflect and shape our world. So, if you're in New York, be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.